Reflex-1. Arithmetic mean or the average. The arithmetic mean is often used to measure the central tendency of a set of data where each item or element in a set is a number. For example, the arithmetic mean or the average of 3 exam grades of 70, 65, and 75 is 70, meaning that the numbers in the set fluctuate around the number 70, which is the central tendency of the data set. And here's the formula to calculate the arithmetic mean or the average. It is the sum of the items divided by the number of items. Remember, arithmetic mean refers to the average, and the sum of items means the addition of all numbers in that set, whereas the number of items refer to the number of numbers or elements in that set. And finally, remember, use this formula for every average problem. It is super important. Let's do an example here. The average or the arithmetic mean of a, b, and 5 is -1. What is the value of a plus b? Okay, remember the formula we have. The arithmetic mean is equal to the sum of items divided by the number of items. So we have the following equation set up. Let's break it down. A, b, and 5 each represent an item in the set. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 items, and that's why we are dividing everything by 3. Now, if we turn the left side into a fraction, we can cross multiply, and we have the following new equation. -3 is equal to everything on the other side, and let's get 5 to the other side. And we'll have -3 minus 5 is equal to a plus b. Therefore, a plus b is equal to -8. Done. A couple more examples. Find the mean for each set of data. Set A, 4, 9, 15, 21, and 17. All right, let's add them up. 4 plus 9 plus 15 plus 21 plus 17. All over the number of items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5, and we get 13.2. Done. Set B, we have 7, 42, 1, 0, 19, and 33. Let's add them up. 7 plus 42 plus 1 plus 0 plus 19 plus 33 all over. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all over 6. And this is equal to 17. Done. And now a different kind of example. Let's say the average of a set of 4 numbers is 56. If 3 of the numbers in a set are 41, 54, and 83, then what is the 4th number? Remember, the sum of items is equal to the average times the number of items. So the sum of the 4 numbers is 56 times 4 is equal to 224, where 56, remember, is the average, and 4 is the number of items or the number of numbers, and 224 is the sum of all numbers. So the sum of the 3 given numbers is 41 plus 54 plus 83, which is equal to 178. Then we can subtract 178 from 224 and get 46, which is our 4th number. Done. And it's time for some exercises. Number 1, what is the average of the numbers 13, 26, 36, and 38? All right, let's add them up. 13 plus 26 plus 37 plus 38 divided by the number of items 1, 2, 3, and 4. So divided by 4, we get 28.5. Done. Number 2, the average or the arithmetic mean of 3 numbers is 55. The sum of 2 of the numbers is 132. Then what is the value of the 3rd number? Okay, if the average is 55 and we got 3 numbers, so 55 times 3 is equal to 165. This is the sum of items. And the sum of 2 of the numbers is 132, so we can subtract that from the sum of 165. And we get 33. This is the value of the 3rd number. Done. Number 3, the average of y and z is 13 and x is equal to 2y plus 8. What is the average of x and 2z? All right, if the average of y and z is 13, that means y plus z divided by 2 is equal to 13, which means if we multiply both sides by 2, y plus z is equal to 26. Now, if x is equal to that, let's just write that down. X is equal to 2y plus 8. We are looking for the average of x and 2z. That means x plus 2z divided by 2 is what we are looking for. Now, check it out. If x is equal to this, let's do a substitution right here. And we have the following. 2y plus 8 plus 2z divided by 2 is what we're looking for. Now, this can be reduced to the following. Reduced to 1, 1, 4, and 1 there. So we get y plus 4 plus z, which is equal to y plus z plus 4. Now, aha! We know y plus z is 26, so this part is equal to 26 plus 4, we get 30 is our answer. Done.